watch it, record it, and text it wherever you are with our flexible sliding phone stand designed to kickstand on the go. Our flexible, non-adhesive PopSocket slidable grip clips to your phone for maximum utility. Raise it, lower it, or take it off for wireless charging. It's easy to slide, and it stays where you want it. Slide the PopSocket for phone down for FaceTime in portrait mode or for MagSafe charging, or turn your phone landscape and watch videos propped up. PopSocket Slide features a swappable PopTop. Switch out your PopTop for another design or remove it completely to attach to your wireless charging adapter. Our PopSlide acts as a sliding phone grip and is compatible with PopSocket's phone accessories including our cases, PopTops, and mounts. Top reviews from the United States. Best PopSocket. With these available, I don't know why anyone would buy the kind that sticks on anymore. This fits on my iPhone XS Max perfectly, and over the case perfectly as well. It's nice and snug, doesn't move unless I want it to, and it feels like it's made well, as in it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It's nice and sturdy. It's like traditional PopSockets in the sense that you can take off the PopTop and replace it with another one that has a different design, which I think is pretty cool. Very convenient, so I don't have to buy a new PopSocket every time I get a new case. I definitely recommend this product, and if I had to, which I don't think I will, I would buy again.